Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Sui. Wanted to make a video on that because yesterday we actually got some very bullish news, which I'm not sure if I'll be able to find that really quickly. I wrote something funny there, but you did not see, I hope. But alright, so now what we got yesterday, and you can already see it in play right here, is that Grayscale, also known from the Bitcoin and Ethereum trusts, opened a trust for Sui, all right, which you can already see, I think, right about here, where they already, well, I mean, they have $300,000 in there, which is not ideal, but this is obviously bullish, all right. This massively improves, or at least it massively improves the ease at which institutions can get into Sui. And Sui itself, I'm actually not sure how it's doing in terms of network performance. But Sui itself is already a relatively big chain, and you can see that the total value locked jumped up a lot. Right now sitting at $600 million, and apart from that, I think the technical situation is pretty good here as well. So I wanted to give you my thoughts, wanted to do a full analysis. I think there is potential here for some good trades, although it is kind of to do some foreshadowing, although it is dependent on the markets, all right? Obviously it is, most of you know that, but I do want to have told you that. Because if we look at Sui, look, like I said, fundamentally, I'm bullish on Sui here. The total value locked hasn't been that great since June, when the market turned relatively sour. But it is, I mean, this is a decent increase. This could be the start of an increase again in the total value locked, or at least stabilization, which would also be bullish. But this is also very bullish, all right? So some of these coins that we've seen in the past actually did very well because of this, and it just permanently increases the demand. So if we then look at Sui and if we zoom out, what you will see on the daily time frame is that we hit this significant support level right here at 55 cents and 50 cents, even a little bit lower with the crash on Monday. And from that level, like, first of all, 50 cents is a major support level, right? It's a psychological level, but you can also see historically we have found significant support there very often after the launch of Sui. But now on the lower time frames, you can also see that we are putting some sort of a bottom and reclaim structure in, right? So if you don't know what I'm talking about, but usually when you find a bottom right here, usually a reclaim, so let's say there's a resistance right here, usually if you're able to reclaim that and hold it as support, that's the start of at least a temporary reversal. And that is what we have just seen, or at least in the last like 16 hours we've seen that when Sui was able to reclaim above 60 cents here. So that makes me relatively bullish. I think the market structure right here for Sui specifically is actually quite bullish, and therefore in combination with the fundamentals, I think it is most likely that we will continue this bullish momentum. And then, like, the potential reward is not that high, right? So our first main resistance level is around 69 cents. I expect us to get there, and there the market comes in because Bitcoin is trying to get a bullish breakout here. I think if Bitcoin is able to get some sort of a bullish breakout here above like 57,600, I think then Sui can really blossom and get back up to like 73, 74, 75 cents. And that would be ideal. So bullish, technically I am on Sui regardless. But I think the reward right here for buying Sui, like the ideal entry would be a buy at 60 cents. Right now, momentum is also a little bit lower. I would say right now it's a bit more risky to buy, and the reward is also not that high. If Bitcoin gets a breakout, or if it looks very likely that Bitcoin gets a breakout, I think Sui will still be one of the best performers. All right. So those are my thoughts for now. If you have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.